Hello everyone. Hopefully you are all fine and your birds are also very healthy and fine. Hopefully are all of you busy in the preparation of breeding season. Today I am making very short video, so kindly watch it till end and must subscribe my channel. Today I am presenting a very important soft food for birds which is a very necessary for every time. That is the breeding season, before the breeding season, off season and the resting season of the bird. It is the very important food for all type of lovebirds, cocktails, ringneck, Java sparrows, all the birds. It has the many minerals, vitamins, and many others natural power for the birds. Yes, I am talking about the corn. Yes, the corn has the many vitamins and the minerals. You must give corn to your birds in breeding season when your chicks has been hatched. As we know that the corn is not available throughout the year. Must watch the video till the end. I will tell you how to present the corn to your birds in the out seasons. Now cut your the corns as shown in the videos as per the demands of the birds. I have the prepared it for my 3 to 4 pairs, and after the video I will cut the more corn for my all of the birds. In out seasons you must soak the corn for 12 hours before serving the birds. Nowadays the corn is available in very good quality and very juicy. It is the very important things for the growth of the newly hatched chicks of the lovebirds, cocktails, and every birds in breeding season. You can serve the same to lovebird, cocktail, Java, finches, ringneck, etc. It my request to all my friends kindly subscribe my videos and update with me for more informative videos of the birds and the exotic birds. The corn you must put the corn to the your birds for 2 to 3 days in a week in the breeding seasons. As you know that the corn is very necessary. It has the many type of minerals, many type of vitamins and other things. Now you must keep your birds healthy. Hopefully you will join me next time and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Really appreciate me and subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe Hussein Aviari. Thanks. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.